Okay, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, we're gonna try to race this thing, I think it's not this coming weekend, but next weekend over to Auburndale. So we've gone through everything in the car, and I knew I had bad gas in it, so I took the gas tank out, cleaned it out, put new fuel lines, a new fuel pump from Advanced Auto Parts, a quality part, and I got everything ready to go back together. I rebuilt the carburetor, and I'm gonna put it back on in the morning, and then put the gas tank, I'm gonna take it out and wash it. Then I'm gonna put the gas tank back on it, and we're gonna try to crank it tomorrow. So that'll be a big day in Dover if it gets cranked.
And we'll be pushing this thing around the field and tearing it up, huh?
Absolutely.
All right, might be over. I'll come with the bull. I'm excited to drive this one.
Yeah, this one.
What motor's in this one, Fred?
This has got a Pinto motor, a 2-liter, the German Ford motor.
Okay.
The Ford copied this motor, and when Ford made the 2300, they made it where that everything is just a little bit different. The belt's different for the cam gear, the water pump's different, the exhaust gaskets are different. Everything on it, it's just a little bit where you can't use the 2300 parts on it. And when we put it in here, it had a 2300 before, and it was a bear getting building a adapter plate to bolt it to the in and out box. When I started this, I didn't know that it was all these problems. If I'd have known this wouldn't be in here. I'd have put an Alfa Romeo engine in it.
Ooh, that would be nice.
Yes, and it runs great. I have no problems with it. It's just, if I was going to go to all the trouble that I went to, I would have put the Alfa motor